A $2 payment is made to my PayPal account every 60 seconds, as you can see. It works everywhere and is completely free. The first step is to head over to YouTube. You won't be recording the videos or posting them to YouTube, and you won't need a channel for this, so don't worry. You only need to search to uncover various online revenue sources. Create a second online revenue stream so you can utilize them all simultaneously. As you can see on the screen, just leave them open. The following step is to go to facebook.com and create a new account specifically for this method. Even if you currently have a Facebook account, I suggest creating a new one. Visit sniply.io after creating your account in the following step. You may add your call to action to virtually any website or online content with the use of the application Sniply. I'll go over step by step how we may use this free application to earn money, sometimes even more than $2 for 60 seconds. To register, just go to sniply.io and press the Sign In button in the top right corner. You'll be taken to this page as a result. You only need to provide a few pieces of basic information to register on this website. Once you log in, a tutorial video on how to use Sniply will be shown. You can choose to watch it or shut this window if you don't want to. They will then show you how to use the main features of this website when you click on that button. The dashboard for your Sniply account will appear as follows. Returning to YouTube, the following step is to introduce that channel under the Earn Money Online category. There are numerous tips on how to make money online if you visit their video area. Just download some movies with a free in the title. It suggests that no investment is necessary to use the strategy. I'll use this one as an illustration. I simply need to right-click on the movie and select to copy the URL address. Click Create Snip after pasting the video's URL into this box to start earning money online. We will thus include a call to action in that specific video because that is how it will look. We will select New Call to Action. Here, you can choose your current profile brand. For my call to action, I'll go with a button. Your message must be typed in this box. As you can see, the message is present, as well as our call to action button. Simply let it alone. The next action is to go to afplus.com. The AF+ network, a global supplier of CPA deals, features thousands of exclusive CPA offers. The phrase, cost per action, CPA, means that you can visit this page and purchase numerous CPA links as well as referral links for all of these different offerings. Users typically simply need to enter their email address, and occasionally even their name, to qualify as leads, and you can get paid at a range of prices just for that. They don't even have to buy anything or spend any money for you to get paid. You only get paid when they become qualifying leads. For this method, go to the search box at the top of afplus.com and enter surveys. We are focusing on survey offers in this instance. In this case, our focus is on survey offers. As you can see, simply by sending someone to one of these many survey websites, we might make anywhere between $1, $2, $3, and even $6 per sign-up utilizing our affiliate link. For instance, as you can see on the screen right now, we're going to open up a variety of offerings here for $2, $6, and many other amounts. As you can see, all that is necessary for people to do is visit this page, register, and submit some very fundamental information about themselves. They only need to provide some basic information, such as their name, email address, and potentially their street address, to sign up for free on this website. We will receive $2 simply for their registration, after which they may start taking surveys on this free website to make money. The easiest method of making money online is this one. It is much simpler to convince someone to sign up for a website where they can make money without paying anything. To get started, simply select offers like this one, which pays $2 for each sign-up. You can join the network of that offer by clicking this Join Network button. You will be taken to a page where you can join the network and obtain your affiliate link for that specific offer by clicking that link. The Return to Sniply tool is the fifth step. Please enter your message. Something like, "Make free money with this website," would be appropriate. You can include one more effective call to action if you'd like. Considering that our free draws attention, I choose to include it. This button text can be changed to a sign up here, learn more, or a phrase of a similar nature. The most crucial step is for you to update this with your affiliate link. That's it for today. Please share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more such content.